Hi, I'm Jeff Burch. I'm Director of Product Management for AMX with HARMAN, and I'm here to talk today about MUSE. We launched MUSE just a little less than a year ago. We just missed Integrate last year, but now we have it on show at Integrate in the MadisonAV booth. We've got 4 hardware products, the 1000, 1300, 2300, 3300, all the same processing power, just a different selection of ports. But the real key is the software. So this really is a new generation of automation in the AV space. We allow people to code in the way that they want to code, using the language that they want to use. So on the high code side, you can code in JavaScript, Python, or Java. You can use the tools that you want. You can use VS Code, for example, and we have a special plugin for VS Code. It allows you to see all of the controllers that are connected, all the devices that are connected to the controllers. It makes it really easy to download scripts. Scripts restart immediately when you load them. You can edit them all you want, no rebooting of the box. And full Python, JavaScript, Java implementation. So there's no limitations there. Use whatever Python modules you want to use. Latest firmware updates is to Python 3.10. Also, what's been really exciting and has a lot of people talking is the low-code version. This is what we call Automator. It's based on Node-RED. We've just recently updated this from Node-RED 3 to Node-RED 4, the most recent version. It adds some performance improvements. The really great thing is this is now very different from high code. It's just drag and drop, and you can see how easy it is to visualize how you want things to flow, what you want things to, what you want to happen, and what order you want them to happen in. And it leverages all the great tools within Node-RED, so you can have subflows. You can bring in a lot of different nodes over here. You can even pull third-party nodes called palettes in the Node-RED world. So really a full suite of hardware with fully capable software, all of the programming that you want to use, and even a high code for folks that want more of a flow-based control. So if you want to learn more, come to the MadisonAV booth and look me up.